About 16 degrees. It's 4:30 in the morning. Very, very nippy. I'm out here in Greensboro, North Carolina. I got the generator running. Heater's on. It's actually really toasty in there. To kind of give you guys an idea, underneath all that is ice. Oh, that's all ice right there, viewers. It's very windy out too. Been running that generator all night. It's cozy in there. It's very warm in there. I'm in a t-shirt in there, by the way. It doesn't look warm in there, but no, believe me, it is. Oh, just holding the camera is brutal. Let's see how much gas I got here. Oh my gosh. Hi, honey. Watch out, sweetie. Gosh, it is cold out there, viewers. It's very cold out there. But I am nice and toasty in here. Anyways. I'll have the TV running my bed here.
Dozens of wrecks as well across our area. That freezing rain can make that even worse.
Exactly. Let's check in now with our field crew in San Clemente out in Clarksville. Sam, we're told that you're at a crash site on Stoughton Road. How's the backup looking?
Yeah, Megan, this is actually one of the...
Got the heater running here.
Sites, one of about 5.
This wasn't working earlier, now it is.
Yesterday, ahead of the storm, say, Trenton Creek, or Trenton Road between...
I kind of have it leaning so the heat kind of angles down a little bit.
Is an area they know
It's about 68, almost 70 in here. I got the heater running on the van as well because it's so cold out there, viewers.
We watched as there was a backup congestion.
Hey, Gracie. Look, Gracie, say good morning to the viewers.
Was off to the right side.
Gracie, look. Here. There you are, my pretty girl. My beautiful dog. You really are a beautiful young lady. And you're a cute boy. You're a big dog, too. You're the tank in the family. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Stay warm, everybody.
Clarksville Jeep crew. You can see it on the dash right there. We've done stories about these guys.